Hey everyone, in this video we will see how we can implement basically a user manager in XAF Blazor. For this, uh, what we want is to have a user with administrator permissions that will have an option to force the logout of any user he doesn't want to be active on the application. So in this example, we have this user, administrator, and this other user that has restricted permissions, but they are both logged into the application. Here, this user has the list of the users that are logged into the application, and he can come here and say, let's force the logout of this one, say yes, and after that, when this user goes to somewhere, it is just load out of the application. So let's see this in code. We basically have a service. This service has this dictionary that will store all the sessions that log into the application using this method. This method is called whenever a user logs in, and it adds the username, the session ID, and the OID to this dictionary. On the other hand, this method here will be called when a user is logged off, and will do the opposite. It will remove the entry for that user from this dictionary. And this method that will grab all the users that are stored in this dictionary. So how we do this? In the Blazor model, we have the application logging off and the logout on, and there we call the methods from the service to add or to remove the user from that dictionary. And we also have this controller that is only a button that is the button that we saw. That you can just click it and will log off the user that you select. And this other controller that basically uh, is checking always if the user is still has still permission to be in the application. That is basically if the session ID for that user is still on this dictionary. If it is not on the dictionary, it will be logged off. So that's it. Thanks.